Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making slow cooked smothered pork chop, guys. That is so delicious, simple, easy, and one of my family's favorite. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by chopping our onion. Next, we're going to mince our garlic. Now it's time to season our pork chops. I am going to drizzle them with some oil. And just make sure that the pork chops are covered with the oil before we start seasoning, because we want all of that seasoning to stick to our pork chops. I am going to season with some adobo seasoning. Now flip them over so we can get the other side. Garlic powder. Some onion powder. And some black pepper. Now go in with your hand and just pat that seasoning on the pork chops, guys, because we want this meat to be well seasoned. And if you see any spots that's missing any seasoning, go in and add more. As you can see, this looks great. Now go ahead and set this aside. Now using a large skillet over medium-high heat, I am going to drizzle some oil. We are going to place our meat and we're going to sear them for about 2 minutes on each side. After 2 minutes, go ahead and flip your meat. So after 4 minutes, go ahead and remove your pork chops and place them in the crock pot. Now go ahead and continue the same process for the rest. Now using the same skillet, we're going to add our onion and we're going to saute them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now that my onion has softened, I am going to add my garlic and we're going to saute for another minute. After a minute, add the flour and we're going to cook this flour for about a minute or two. After 2 minutes, this is how it's looking. Now I am going to add some tomato paste. Go ahead and spread that around. After a minute, add some chicken broth. Give that a stir. Now add your cooking wine. Give that a stir. And this is over medium-low heat. We are going to season this with some black pepper and adobo seasoning. Give that a mix. So what we want to do now is turn off the heat. Add your mushroom to the crock pot. And if they're too big, just use your hand to break them up. Now take your sauce and pour it over your meat and your mushroom. Now after adding in all your ingredients, we are going to cover with the lid. Turn on your crock pot and I am going to set this on high for 4 hours. After 4 hours, guys, this is how our pork chops are looking. So what I'm going to do now is add my heavy whipping cream. I would like the gravy to be a little thicker, so I am going to add a little bit of cornstarch. And I'm going to use some of that chicken broth. And give that a mix. So I'm just making a slur. Still on high heat, I am going to pour my slur in here. and I am going to allow this to cook for another 30 minutes. This is how my pork is looking after the additional 30 minutes. So go in and taste your food just to make sure that it doesn't need any additional salt. And this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so the moment we've been waiting for, my smothered pork chops are ready. Take a look. Tell me this doesn't look amazing. I am going to serve this with some mashed potatoes and some green beans, guys. Look at this. Oh, oh my gosh. It just melts in my mouth. This is out of this world delicious. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.